Hello everyone. So today's topic is how to give cross referencing page to page. For example, from 6 number page power distribution page to 7 number page power distribution. So procedure is that uh, go for first. So here we select for example vertical tiles so that easily we show here. Uh, so I need to click multiple insertion also or else single insertion. So I choose multiple insertion. So click here and click one by one. Once finish, go for another page, zoom this page and select one by one. So you got result of cross reference the 7 page, and here in 7 number page you got result from a 6 number page. So this is the simple way of cross reference page one page to another page. Same like we same procedure for symbols also. Select this symbol, go for symbol property, for this symbol and OK. So same these symbols coils are in 7 number page. So in 7 number page here the pattern of cross referencing, we can change this cross referencing pattern or this placement also we can change vary. Okay, so we can take detailed lectures in if you want to change this the pattern of cross referencing in another lecture, but this is the simplest way of show cross reference of component. Okay, thank you.